Hello, my name is Adiola Onosoya, a phenomenal phonics diction teacher. Today, I want to teach you words with the sound. Words with sound. But before I continue, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and help me to share it. Thank you. As I was saying, learning words with the sound. We have words with IR sounding We have words with IR sounding as we have it in shirts and skirts. Shirts, skirts. We have words with UR sounding as we have it in burn, church, and turn. Not turn. It's not church. It's church. Church. We have words with OR sounding as we have it in word, word, work, 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 and world, world. We should all aspire to make this world a better place. We also have EAR words sounding EAR words sounding as we have it in earn, learn, learn, and also search, search. We have OUR words sounding OUR word sounding as we have it in journey, journey, and also courtesy, courtesy, courtesy. So it's not Johnny Mercy, it is Journey Mercy, because even in the mercy, ER word sounding And we now come to ER word sounding as we have it in perfect, perfect, and hair. Hair is not but hair. I hope you got value. Once again, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share it. Thanks for watching. Once again, my name is Adiola Onosoya.